Me and my ate did this.
Who have a long hair?
Okay, this girl.
Who's grade 1? Turning grade 1.
Me! Me!
Paano question mo?
Who has diarrhea before? No! The two of us, diba?
Okay. Who have
100 Robux.
Who like long gun but they like grapes?
Not me! I don't like grapes. I like
Grapes. This is long gun. Okay. Come. Okay. Who
Ako
is
naman.
Adora?
Because look, my bangs. My bangs are too short.
Okay.
But I look like
mag-question
Dora.
ka na.
Dorara. Who have 0 Robux?
Who do the sea lion trend?
Wait.
If you watch the video, okay, who is the funniest?
Do you want to eat my
Who's the
fart?
best edits? Me. Okay.
Aww.
Who is the best? Who have subscribers more? Okay. Who have TikTok Lite but he like TikTok?
Not me.
You have TikTok Lite and you said you like TikTok. Yeah.
I forgot I have TikTok in my side.
But TikTok Lite and his mom get the cell phone like in TikTok Lite and that's have TikTok and go. Who wears? Ikaw naman mag-question.
Who poop in their pants before?
Ay,
When it's
yun.
2026.
You poop in your pants? Kailan?
Sa 2026.
2026 na ano? January, February, March, May.
Na ang instant puti?
Ano?
Wow! Sure! Kung kumama ang gamit ko kasi
Comment
walang
if I'm crazy or not.